20 years ago, the world was a very different place when it came to technology. In the early 2000s, mobile phones were bulky with tiny screens and physical keyboards. Fast forward to today, and we have sleek smartphones with touch screens, powerful processors, and app ecosystems that let us do almost anything on the go. Computers have also come a long way. Back then, most people used big, boxy desktop computers that took up a lot of space. Now, laptops are ultra-thin, lightweight, and just as powerful as those old desktops. Tablet devices have further revolutionized our interaction with computers, blending portability with functionality. The internet has seen one of the most dramatic changes. In the past, we had slow dial-up connections that tied up your phone line, but now, with high-speed fiber optics and 5G networks, we are more connected than ever. This has transformed how we access information, work, and socialize online. Gadgets and smart devices have made our lives even more convenient. From smart home devices like speakers and thermostats to wearables like smartwatches and fitness trackers, technology has integrated deeply into our daily routines. AI assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant have become our digital helpers. Looking into the future, emerging technologies like augmented reality, AR, virtual reality, VR, and quantum computing promise to bring even more amazing changes. The next 20 years look incredibly exciting. In just 60 seconds, we've seen how technology has evolved tremendously. What will the next 20 years bring?